We're here outside the Greeley Active Adult Center, which was closed down for COVID reasons for the last year or so, but now the doors are open again, and there's a lot of new things coming your way and a lot of new programs. Joined us today, we have Tiffany Skoglund to talk a little about some of the new things happening with the Greeley Active Adult Center.
Hi,
Thanks
Brian.
for joining us. Hello, hello. Good to have you on the show as always.
Me.
So, of course, June, the big open for the Greeley Active Adult Center. So what kind of upgrades did you guys have that you've gone through the last year?
So we're excited. We have our new parking lot, finally more accessible for handicap parking. We've painted the whole inside, the whole upstairs of the inside has been painted and kind of redone, and we have some new city artwork hanging in the building. We have new blinds, and we've just kind of done some stuff with HVAC in our elevator, and so it's been great to have people back in the building finally.
Yeah, it sounds like it's not just cosmetic stuff. It sounds like a lot of functionality things to make everything better for everybody coming through the doors.
Yep, so more comfortable for all of those great programs we offer.
And I'm sure the parking lot's going to be a big hit as well.
Yes, it is a big hit.
Now, as far as some of the programs you guys are offering now that you're open, what kind of stuff can people take advantage of here?
So right now we're mostly we're starting from the ground up. It's kind of exciting. We're starting over again. So we're doing a lot of drop-in programming right now. We're really looking at how we program so we can offer the best possible programs to our aging community here in Greeley. So we have Bunko you can drop in and do, the computer lab, which as we know with COVID, that's huge. So coming up in the future, we'll have a lot of computer classes to teach people how to use Facebook and those type of things. And then we're excited just to start bringing back some of our clubs, our book clubs, our social events, get people back together with their friends and coming down and staying active.
Exactly. And then what's the best place for people to find out about the different programs and plugs? Just going up to the website?
So the website, greeleyrec.com, and then go into the facilities and go into the Active Adult Center. Or starting in August, we will have our monthly newsletter back out for members. So
watch
pretty
your email box.
exciting. Yes.
Now, are there any big changes coming along that people should be prepared for if they were coming to the Active Adult Center all the time before? Something that they should be expecting might be a little bit different now?
So one thing that might be different is, of course, the masks. We are requiring everybody wear masks in the facilities, and we have a little bit of social distancing. We do have a few pool tables closed down and that type of thing to keep it safe so people keep their distance. We're not fully up and running like we were in March when we got shut down. So it's slowly coming along. We have some new staff members, so that's exciting. We have Kim Uristi, who is our customer service rep. And then Sherry Loebmeyer, which people know from the past, she has taken a different position here. She's actually our coordinator, so she'll be running a lot of our programs. And then I'm obviously back, which is exciting. I'm glad to be back at my home facility and servicing my passion, the seniors.
Excellent, excellent. And what are the hours for the facility if people do want to come down in?
So right now we're operating Monday through Friday, 8 to 5. So that'll be our hours at least through the end of 2021 until we do some budget stuff and try to gain some of that budget money back that COVID kind of hit everybody, I think, hard with. We're excited to get some volunteers back. When we closed our doors, we had 207 volunteers. So we're excited to get those volunteers back out and come out and volunteer and keep them busy.
Yeah, that sounds like a great time all around for everybody involved.
Yeah, so, and we're excited to move forward, with more email contact. Obviously, we learned that, phone numbers and that stuff isn't the best way to communicate when these times get rough and we get shut down out of the blue.
A little surprise to all of us how things worked or didn't work the last year or so.
Definitely. And an exciting thing is I've started doing coffee chats with all the members once a week. So call and find out what time we're going to do them for the week. But if you have questions or questions about certain programs or passions that you want to see back at the center, it's a great time to come and meet with me and meet the other staff. We're excited just to have people back in the building.
Fantastic. Well, we appreciate all the work you're doing. Coffee with Tiffany sounds like a great plan for anybody involved. But
yeah.
We wish you best of luck with all the endeavors this summer, and hopefully things will get going back good for you.
Well, thank you, and thanks for having me.
Greeley Active Adult Center, again, it has opened again. You can go to the website at greeleyrec.com for all the details you need and find out more information about the programs and hours.